my screen?
Yep.
Michael. Okay, Steve. Okay, perfect. So we had two agenda items today, and actually the first one's going to be a little bit of a meta discussion, which is how does this basically just a quick description of, because we started this meeting last month, so we wanted to document sort of how we expect this meeting to work in the future and sort of information on how you can engage and so forth. So I'll do that first. Um, so again, just to go over, we have this meeting once a month, the first Thursday of the month, basically at 9 a.m. PST. This is meant to be sort of the public version of the steering committee meeting. We meet as a group sort of more frequently than that. Um, since this is a public call, the expectation is that the community at large, like anyone who's joining the call, can actually propose agenda items for the meeting. So I wanted to talk about that really quickly. If you go to our governance repo, you'll see there is some automation here that actually creates draft agenda items for the next meeting. So right now, this is today's meeting agenda. This file that I'm highlighting over here, and then I guess Michael, tomorrow the next month's agenda will be created tomorrow. Is that how I should look at it?
It will be created, yeah, within the next 2 days.
Right.
Yep.
So yeah, and there's a template here. So the meeting agenda gets created using this template, and then anyone in the community can actually come in and open a PR for the next month's meeting and propose agenda items. I hope that's clear. Steve, does that make sense?
Yep,
Since
that's
you're
clear to me.
perfect. Okay. And right now, this process is not quite as discoverable as I would like it. So I'm going to try and add it to the README for the governance repo, as well as add some information to our website so you can actually find it just if you're visiting the website as well.
Yeah, that was going to be my next question is essentially how do I find it? But
Yeah,
thank you.
I think building sort of a community, it'll be interesting. Hopefully people will start finding it from there and then excellent.
Perfect. Yeah.
Anything I missed, Michael, that you want to add to that?
No, I don't think so. I guess like part of the motivation for us making this change is just to make sure that whenever we come into this meeting, everyone's prepared for a given topic, so it's clear what's coming up, and also to make sure the proper stakeholders are present, right? So if we have members of the steering committee that are particularly relevant to a given topic, they can make sure that we plan for that topic accordingly. And then in addition, the PR review process lets us make sure that a topic is appropriate for this meeting. In some cases, we might see like someone says, hey, I have a topic for the steering committee meeting or this community call. And we might say that's something that can be handled offline, right? We don't need to wait 3 weeks to close on that topic or whatever. So it gives us a chance outside the monthly meeting cadence to be able to hear what people would like to bring to attention in the project, and we can kind of have that touch point on a more frequent basis in these PRs.
Thank you, Michael.
Yeah, that's great.
And then the second one, this should be also a quick one. We've been reviewing. So just the background on this is that when we started the organization maybe a year and a half ago, we had a lot of private repos, and to enable collaboration across the ecosystem and with partner companies and so forth, or even internally, actually, we had to add a lot of members to the GitHub repository. Oh, sorry, the organization sort of as members. Now with anything that is important, at least being public, as far as repos is concerned, we felt the need to sort of clean up some of the membership lists, and so we went through sort of pruning the list of members that are in the organization, and so the criteria we used was anyone who had not engaged in a project for the last 6 months, I believe, and they were also not a part of a team within the organization. We've actually removed them from the organization. There should be no impact for anyone. As I said earlier, all the repositories that are of any that are being, anything that needs to be public at this point is public. Let me just put it this way. So anyone from, you don't need to be a member of the organization to actually contribute. So there should be no impact from having done this, but just in case there is, please reach out and we'll try and find a solution for you. That's it. Michael, do you want to add anything on that point as well?
No, I don't have anything to add there. Thanks.
Okay. Thank you. Steve, anything you want to discuss?
Oh, no, I don't have anything for today. I think
Okay.
from our perspective, we're still ramping up a little bit, and we'll have more to discuss as we bring our MCU team online with ODP. So
Awesome. Thank you so much. Appreciate you joining. I know this is even for myself. I'm going to be heading out shortly. So thank you for joining.
Yeah,
Hope
my
to see you
pleasure.
next month. Yes.
All right. Yep. We'll see
Thank
you
you,
next
Michael.
month. Thanks.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye.